Okay, this is Christoph Garbe. Welcome at our booth at Vision. This is HD Vision Systems. I'm founder and CEO. Basically, we are developing multi-camera systems for quality inspection and vision-guided robotics. So we are using light field imaging for getting the best quality point clouds. And we are combining our technology with different technologies for doing really highly refined quality inspection. So besides our own 3D sensors, we might combine it with infrared technology, or we might enhance it with high resolution cameras for finding really small defects. And that's why we are using here in this combination, for example, a Kowa lens, which is really high quality to get really sharp images of defects that you might have on parts. So what you can see here is a robot guided by our light field images, so that the robot really goes to the same position on a piece, no matter how you position it on a table, or no matter where the object is located. The object can be small as this, or it can be a complete car, as we do in automotive industry. And then we might use a 2D camera for really zooming in on the defects. This is where really high quality optics come into play. Or we might use radar transmission technology, for example, to measure different aspects that are important to our customers in quality inspection. Basically, the key issue about these systems is that they're really easy to integrate. They are really simple to use, and this is due to the high quality of the point clouds and of the light field data that we capture. So basically, besides the 3D information, we capture 2D information of metallic glinting objects, and this can be easily integrated by our customers and used to automate all sorts of complicated processes. As you can see here, we are using a Kowa lens in combination with our light field technology. Basically, we found out through some testing that the Kowa lenses have a really high resolution and really high accuracy, and they allow us to really get the last bit of information out of the sensors. And this really helps us. Good data is key in using neural networks in finding defects with a high precision, and that's what our customers required. So we decided to use Kowa as a standard supplier in our technology, basically because it helps reduce time of integration and find defects really efficiently and quickly.